There have been several emissaries who have been sent to me, urging me to either resign from the position or I recant that letter. But I've told them in clear terms that I will not recant that letter. Reason being, it is factual. I was only reporting the information that I gathered in Murang'a County, which appears also to reflect the general sentiment in our region. And secondly, it was a courteous letter. I did not insult anyone. I remained faithful and loyal to the president. But on the other hand, I strongly believe I have the duty to talk candidly and speak the truth. I am a leader who does not believe in strongly clinging unto power. In fact, I'm one of those persons who can easily decide to relinquish any position. I take pride that my position was on principle. It was motivated by my deep love of the party, and particularly His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta. I do not want a position where he is embarrassed by the people from his backyard. And we elected His Excellency for the last 2 terms. And therefore, what I said was just reporting what people are saying on the ground. But I did not intend at all to embarrass him. So therefore, the only thing I cannot do is to resign pursuant to pressure. But I can tell you, if I get a good reason which would then justify my resignation, I would definitely resign.